Okay, 95,000 for 50 pieces.
Yeah.
Okay, hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's a baby girl, Ebys'Lady on the beat, and I'd like to welcome you back to the channel. Right now, I'm at the yam market at Warri Road. This is one of the biggest yam market that you can find in Delta State in Warri, and you can see the market men are here. Right now, the yam is coming down. The prices of yam are actually coming down right now, and a lot of people are here right now. As you can see, the yam market is moving on. You can come here and shop for your yam. This is where the wholesale, the retailers also come here to sell their markets. Yam is meant for variety of things. You can use it to make money. You can use it for different variety of dishes or cuisines, and you can use it for business. People make pounded yam from yam, and people also make yam flour from yam. All right, now let's go into this market and know the current prices of yam in this particular Warri Road market, where you can get assorted types of yam from different locations. People from the north, people from the east, people from the south trade in this particular market, guys. Most of these yams are being transported from the far northeast to Warri, like Nasarawa State, Plateau State, Benue State, and other places are being transported to this place to sell them here. Yeah, yo. Which yam be this?
Pepper.
Pepper?
Yes.
From which state? How much are they selling?
I mean,
Hi.
I mean,
One, how much for this one?
This one?
One like this. How much for one?
2.5.
It's still cost now. This yam don't they come out? Malam. Well done. This one how much now? Good morning. Yeah.
How many?
Now how many are they sell? Like in a one they sell.
Okay, one. Well, we're supposed to know the size now. This size maybe that.
This size now how much be this size?
This size? 22.5.
Yeah? It's still girl. For coming on board. What is your name?
My name is Mr. Oke from Yam Market. This is our ticket seller here. This is our mama. She used to buy yam.
Okay, good morning, ma.
She can buy about 300 to 400 tubers.
Wow.
This is my colleague, Mopo. This is my other colleague, James.
Good morning, sir.
So, madam, how many trailers do you want to buy?
50 trailer.
50 trailers. We are not.
But I can see up to 50 trailer here now.
Without up to 50.
Okay.
Who's telling you to buy 50 trailers? Are you a governor person here?
No, I'm not a politician.
So how can you have that kind of money to
If politician comes,
You are like a commissioner.
No. So buy 50 trailers is not a small
He's a commissioner.
Are you among Okowas? No. Inside, negotiate, buy as many as you can.
Thank you so much.
We have so many keke. We go to Port Harcourt, Bomadi, Coco,
So you have horses mouth.
Yenegua. As far as data state is concerned,
Yeah.
you can run any route.
They can ship your yam.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
You are welcome.
Yeah, thank you.
So anywhere you are, come and buy your yam from this particular market.
For me, how much? Good morning.
What's your money?
Not the big size I want moderate size. Because this big size that how much now?
3,000 naira.
3,000 for one. You know two costs?
It's cheap.
I say cheap. 3,000 naira for this Tinubu time.
That is the rich part of the
It makes sense. It makes sense. It makes sense.
How many is
This size now how much?
No.
My budget is no rich like that. I want yam that is affordable. We go every time throughout the month. If I buy two, money never finish. Malam. You go buy.
You can't yellow.
You don't even like it themselves.
They like yellow yam self. I mean yam on a white.
Oh, okay, Zuga. I chọrọ size in that. I chọrọ in the bribo. Oh, man, I not Tinubu time. How you they sell? This one we don't cost how much now? This one, okay, now the price.
There is no yam size that you are looking for in this particular market
Then
that you
how
cannot
much?
find.
How much?
The sizes you find from
much is
small
that
to
now?
the biggest size, they are all in this particular market. In this particular space that I found myself in this market, yam market,
Wow.
you cannot buy only one tuber here. You have to buy up to minimum of 50 to 100 pieces, counting in this particular space here. There are places that you can buy up to one pieces, but here they don't sell one pieces.
Okay, minimum of 100. Yeah, na wholesale price. Sorry. Abia color. Good morning. They say that only they say na only 100 pieces that they sell.
Now 50-50.
No, I will go buy for. Now the one I want use for house.
We want chop for us.
Hey, where we go chop? Now I go buy.
This
Those
one is good for chop.
I know if you buy 50 pieces now.
How many pieces won't come?
Like the last time why I buy, they shade them. You understand? For that side, I buy like 5,000. So if I finish now, I go still go that side.
So one camera and market go show who wants.
Yeah, so that you will get more customers. People will know that this is what you do. Yam.
Oil and yam. Yam now number one.
Okay, so I want to sell the yam.
Like now, if you buy,
I hope you don't mind though. At the video with you they talk.
no lily.
Okay.
If you buy,
Okay.
you go carry and go. Let's assume now, for example, you buy am 50,000 naira for 50 pieces.
Okay.
So you understand? If you go sell them like 60, 10,000 don't end.
The way I go, who I go sell them to now? Mind my own.
As in, depend of the area that you take.
Like
if they last, even if you not 3 weeks, 1 month, you no go spoil.
Spoil.
My own
Understanding.
when I don't know for this market, no any business where pass yam for Warri here. When
Okay.
business for yam, maybe small. I buy last year 1, 2. Now, as I'm talking like it before, the yam will reach 80,000 naira.
Okay.
Based on the yam where don't many where now, I make it and depending on the area where we won't go sell am. If you buy that 65 now, can possibly you can still sell am 80 for 50 pieces for the clothes where we won't sell.
Okay.
You get the man where we say they always give a company, they give a contract. If they come in here, you must buy 3 million of yam.
Why they come they do this?
Yeah, that place, man, they go kill am. So people wait.
Okay. Okay, now about what? They there.
Go here. Madam, don't put me for trouble.
Mama, buy yam. Na better yam.
Madam, you know they hear my English. You know they hear my English. See that I am. This one is pass and koro they see am for afternoon. 50, 60.
Agunda.
Oh yeah, talk. How much is it?
How much the price that? Someone price that.
They never price it. I said they never price and I mean they here.
Agunda. Kya agunda? Dala gas Ismail nan kabu gas Ismail nan.
Okay, I talk no time. Now money night the market. Talk well. I go sell am.
Haruna magana nake ma. Ayo mana.
Okay.
Like
No. I don't like that new yam. I beg.
now you see, yeah. You get someone where be say you don't need to put salt again if you dey cook am. See, you understand that one they call am pepper yam.
Okay. I know that
This
pepper
one
yam.
now, not be say you know sweet though. If you can't put salt now, 395 naira.
Okay, 95,000 for 50 pieces.
Yeah.
Okay.
So which one on our come back? They will draw down the transfer.
The small one, uncle.
Give me 90. How much you pay? How much you pay? No. Can you pay 85? No. 380. How much you pay?
Thank you. This yam now how much? Mama talk well now. How much last? How many pieces there? How much I go price now? Okay. 8,000. You still dey high now, eh? You get one year why I buy like this. Very sweet. So now wetin even make me they look this one, whether na the brother be this. Eh? They sweet well abi. Talk now. 8,000. All right. Yam. Type of yeah, wait. Well done. And the market. 100. Now how see am I dey buy? No be this thing. Now for this thing I go buy you if I don't feel Eh? Balance. I don't come back. How far? Talk now. May I carry this one to go out?